Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to take an alginate impression and pouring it with a stone. The first and most important step is to have a good and smooth mix of alginate. Always make sure to use the scoops that comes with it. Mix 2 nice scoops of alginate powder with an adequate amount of water, then stir in the powder. When it's covered, put lots of motion against the sides of the bowl to make sure all the powder is mixed in. When the mix is ready, take 1 scoop with your spatula all the way around and load it on your tray, as you see in the video. Now insert your dentifrice into the tray with a lot of pressure. And when your alginate is set, take out the dentifrice at one time. After mixing the stone, pour it into the impression, as you see it. And then tap it on the table a few times to make sure all the air bubbles are gone. And here is the final result.